It's estimated that the global electric utilities industry loses around $85 billion each year as a result of fraud and theft. At the same time, new stresses on power and water resources are expanding worldwide. We caught up with Choice Holdings CEO Denis Maia to find out the scale of the problem and how the industry is responding.
In general, gas losses, non-technical losses, are lower, could reach up to 4%, 5%, for example. Electricity, we are talking more about 5 to 15%, depends on the country. For sure, we have countries with 25, 30% of non-technical losses. That is huge. But in water, it's really a problem. Yeah, we have some countries that are losing more than 50% of the water that are cleaned and produced. So it's amazing because we have a lot of places with droughts, problems with significant scarce of water, and we have all this leakage and all these non-technical loss with fraud and theft as well. So that's, in a nutshell, is the scale of the problem. For sure, depends of country by country. They have basically different types of frauds or theft. People could make what we call meter bypasses. They can circumvent the meter and have unbilled water, gas, or electricity. But they could do what we call meter tampering as well. So in general, these are the, let's say, the main two types of frauds and theft. But you could also have losses internally in the systems, in the business process, internally in the companies. Yeah. For example, a user with the appropriate rights could change a tariff for a consumer, or could block a consumer to receive a field inspection to check if there is a fraud or not. So these are simple examples of losses, non-technical losses that could lie internally in the corporate system and business process. First of all, the utilities must understand they need to create what we call an intelligence center. Yeah? This is a transformation in the business process and organization. It's a dedicated team, it's like a business unit, yeah, to work with the appropriate predictive analytics software, the right tools, to work to reduce non-technical loss in a permanently way. Technology has an important role here. For example, I'll give you some examples. A predictive analytics software like revenue intelligence can predict what is the fraud probability, customer by customer, and what is the financial impact in case you find a fraud. What is the value of this fraud? Yeah? So with this information, the software can predict the best customers to inspect. And that's the way how we can increase the energy or water or gas recovery. We increase the productivity in terms of energy recovery in more than 100, 200, and in some cases 300%. Yeah? We have customers that will increase $40 million per year in the EBITDA. So it's changed the bottom line dramatically. If you sum up the benefits of all our customers together, we have accumulated saving more than $1 billion to our customers. It's an amazing figure. The best I like is in a utility called Light, based in Rio de Janeiro metropole in Brazil. They have been facing in the last 20 years a big challenge in terms of non-technical losses. They tried everything. Yeah? So we started with them 8 years ago. Yeah? And we debated with the C-suite. They engaged, okay, let's implement an intelligence center, use revenue intelligence software. And after that, that started in 2008. Yeah? 2 years later, we doubled the amount of energy recovered. Yeah? More than 100% of benefits. Yeah? And with this, we won the award of Best Revenue Protection Project in Latin America because we brought $40 million of EBITDA increasing in a couple of years. Utilities are paying more attention to analytics. They are recognizing that the value of predictive analytics. So I think we are a very pivotal moment, yeah, when utilities are leaving the more traditional ways of doing things to really invest in technology to predict what is the best way to do something. Yeah, and with this, you can reduce losses, you can increase collection, you can reduce the failures on the grids, whatever. So it's a trend.